Okay, students. So exercise 4, question number, which one? 4. So let's see, in this question number 4, that is given, what is the smallest number? Let's try to understand. What is the smallest number by which 2916 should be divided so the quotient is a perfect cube? Means कौन सा ऐसा नंबर आपके पास है जो नंबर आप डिवाइड करोगे किससे 2916, जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा दैट विल बी ए परफेक्ट क्यूब. करेक्ट. एंड व्हाट इज द नंबर? दैट इज 2916. So how we'll find out? Obviously we'll do prime factorization first of all. ये तो करेंगे. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? Prime factorization method. With the help of prime factorization method, we have to find out all the factors. Okay. So let's see, all of you see here only. Notebook में किसी को ध्यान नहीं जाना चाहिए अभी. Just check it here. 2916. So obviously 2916 is divisible by 2 because last में क्या है? 6. ठीक है. Now divide. 2 1 या 2. ठीक है. 2 4 जा 8, 1 remaining 11, 2 5 जा 10, 1 remaining 16, 2 8 जा 16. Done. Again divisible by 2 because last में क्या है? 8 है. That's why we can say 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4, 1 carry 18, 2 9 जा 18. Then now it is divisible by 3. As इसलिए नहीं है लास्ट में 9 है इसलिए 3 से divisible. Because we know the rule. The sum of all the numbers, if divisible by, if suppose 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18, and 18 is divisible by 3, so whole number is divisible by 3 only. So when you divide it by 3, then 3 2 ja 6, 1 carry 12, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 is 9. Then आप थोड़ा divide इसको fast way में करते because very simple divide. 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3, again divisible by 3, this is 27. When you divide 81 divided by 3, then 27 will come. 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 is 9, and 3 1 is 3. ठीक है. अब जो भी आपका फैक्टर्स आए, like write down like this, 2916 is equals to 2 multiply, see here, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, and here also 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Check it here. 1 2 2 2 ले लिया. ठीक है. And 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now what have to do? अब क्या करना है आगे? Make pairs of 3 numbers. How? Like this. From here 3 pairs, but this is not making pairs. So what have to do? क्या करना है हमें? We have to do divide now. So that's why not multiply 2. अगर बोलता 2 से हम क्या multiply करेंगे? In that case obviously we can say 2 को multiply कर देते और आपका पेयर बन जाता. But if some numbers are not making pairs, तो जो भी नंबर आपका नहीं बन रहा है पेयर उसको हम क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड कर देंगे इस टाइप लाइक. Means 2 into 2, that is 4. So we can say 4 is the number. We will divide this side. So we can say 2916 divided by how many? 4. 2 2 ja 4. So from 3 number 1 3 and from 3 number 1 3 और इसका क्यूब लगा दो. ठीक है. So 2916, when you divide it by 2916, then how many answer will come? Then 729 and is equals to 3 3 is 9. Now all of you know 729 is the perfect cube of 9. Yes or no? That means answer is correct. But आपका क्वेश्चन में ये था व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. तो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर क्या है? 4. स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर 4 जो कि हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके. सो राइट डाउन ऑल ऑफ यू. 4 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. 4 is the smallest number that should be divided. Okay, now see, 4 is the smallest number that should be divided by 2916, and whatever your answer will come, that is the perfect cube of 9. ठीक है. तो इस टाइप का अगर क्वेश्चन आ जाए, that is your correct answer. Okay, in this manner you have to do. First of all, prime factorization method. Now write down all the factors. Okay, और जो भी आपका पेयर्स नहीं बनेगा उस पेयर्स को लेके मल्टीप्लाई करके आपको उसको डिवाइड में लेके आना. इन केस ऑफ डिवाइड, बट मल्टीप्लाई का केस में मल्टीप्लाई करना है सिंपल. That is your complete answer. Okay, students, all of you understood? Yes or no? Why 4 is the correct answer? Because these numbers are not, whichever numbers are not making pair, na, that number we are multiplying. Like 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. That's why we will like do divide, and 4 is the smallest number. That's all. ठीक है इसलिए ठीक है ओके नाउ विल मूव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जो है ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आई विल not write down whole solution, only I will give you hint, and remaining parts you have to solve yourself. Okay, so first of all we'll read the question properly. So let's see. Okay, I think many of the students are writing, so do fast. Then chalo next question. Okay, so see here next question, question of 5. Try to understand. Write 5 cubes. Write cubes of 5 natural numbers which are multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 27. Okay, again I am telling you, write cubes of 5 natural numbers which are multiple of 3 and verify the following the cube of natural number which is multiple of 3 as well as 27. मतलब क्या है इसका? Try to understand. Obviously अगर मैं बोलूं एक आपको सिंपल क्यूब लिखना है, सपोज इफ आई राइट डाउन 27, ठीक है बात समझना, then 27 we can say this is the cube of 3, ठीक है. नाउ ये जो आपका परफेक्ट क्यूब होगा ना वो 3 के साथ साथ 27 का भी परफेक्ट क्यूब होना है. 27 का भी आपका क्या होना चाहिए? मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. 3 का तो मल्टीपल होगा ही, ऑब्वियसली वी कैन से 27 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 एज वेल एज 27 का भी मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. सो लाइक दिस वे आई हैव टू राइट डाउन हाउ मेनी नंबर्स? 5 नंबर्स. सो ऑल ऑफ यू थिंक, चलो मुझे कौन बताएगा? एनीवन जस्ट टेल मी एनी 2 numbers, tell me 2 perfect cube, tell me that is the multiple of 3 also and 27 also. 27 का क्यूब नहीं, 27 का मल्टीपल में होना चाहिए, 27 का टेबल में आना चाहिए. थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू. Okay, now question number 6, very simple. Find the cube root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Okay, so by the help of prime factorization method we will find out the cube roots. So first number is equals to 125. See here, prime factorization method आपको यूज करना ही है बिल्कुल. 125. See all of you properly. 125 is divisible by which number? 5. 125 is the number that is divisible by obviously 5. ठीक है? So all of you see 5 how many times? 5 2 are 10, 2 carry 25, 5 5 25. Again divisible by 5. Again divisible by 5. Now how will write? 125 is equals to, देखो कैसे लिखना है आपको? 5 into 5 into 5. Done. Now this is the sign of cube root. This is the sign of cube root, and from this 3 number I will take only one number. So cube root of 125 is equals to how many? 5. That is your complete answer. Okay, understood all of you? Very simple. Now next question, let's see. 343. This is also very easy question. Simple. 7. So 343 you will divide it by 7. 7 4 ja 28, 6 carry 63, 7 how many? 9 ja, 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So 343 is equals to, write down 7 into 7 into 7, and cube root of 343 is equals to 7. From this 3 number, one number I will take. So answer will be 7. ठीक है? Okay, very easy. Next question. Okay, tell me students, which question I'll do? All the questions are very easy. All the questions are very easy. Third part also same. Fourth part also same. Okay, fifth part I'll do. Fifth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, fifth one, seventh one, and eighth one. So all of you see here. Fifth one, first of all. Minus. Okay, sixth one I will do. Sixth one, seventh one, and eighth one. So sixth one, check it here. Minus 1728. So all of you remember yesterday I told you in our previous lecture one property. उस property में मैंने ये बताया था आपको, if when you find out any cube root, any negative numbers cube, then answer always come in the form of negative. Correct? याद है ना आपको? So in this case also we can say, if you want to find out the cube root of 1728, so इसको तो आपको देखना ही नहीं है माइनस का केस. At last I will write down minus. Now all of you find out the prime factorization of 1728. So here 8 is there, that's why we will take 2 only. 2 8 ja 16, 1 carry 12, 2 6 ja 12, and 2 4 ja 8. Okay. Now again see, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Again 2 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 1 carry 12, 2 6 ja 2. Again 2. अब इसमें आप लोग मिस्टेक करते. See here, कैसे मिस्टेक करते? See all of you, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 8 ja 16. ये कर दिया. Because here we can't write down 18 2 ja कितना होता है 36. So 2 1 ja 2, 1 is not divisible by 2, that's why we'll take 2 digit at a time. When you write down 2 digit at a time, then we'll take 0. So take 1 0. Now write down 2 8 ja 16. ये आपका सही आंसर. Now we can say this is again divisible by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8. Again 27. Next 3. This is how many? 9. This is again 3. This is 3 1. ठीक है, ये तो प्रोसेस बहुत इजी. Now check it here. We can say, write down like this way, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply, how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So write down 6 times first of all, and 3 times. Okay, now write down like this, pairs, make triplets, and from this first pair 1 number, from this second pair 1 number, and from this third pair 1 number. So answer will be 12. This is the correct. But this is not correct answer. Wrong answer. Something is wrong. ये minus नहीं बोलना है, minus write down. Okay, because any negative number cube root, answer always come in the form of negative only. अगर आपने ये आंसर लिख दिया, then I will give 0 marks. Because सोचो 12 and minus 12, both are so different, है ना? 12. Suppose if I say 1000 rupees and minus 1000 rupees, what is the meaning of, what is the difference between this? 1000 plus 1000 means मैं आपको 1000 rupees दे रहा हूँ. Okay, and 1000 minus 1000 rupees means मैं आपसे 1000 rupees ले रहा हूँ. इस तरीके से मान के चल सकते, है ना? अपोजिट, है ना? सोचो. So what is the difference between minus 1000 and 1000 plus का 1000? So that's why minus is very important in each and every questions in mathematics. ठीक है? So that is your complete answer. Okay, no issue. Now we will find out next part, 7th part. See here. Okay, 7th part, let's see. Minus 3375 divided by 4913. Okay, actually these methods are same method, same repeat नहीं कर रहा हूँ, because you have to solve obviously. जब आप करोगे notebook में, then you have to do properly, but now directly I'm doing. Okay, so anyone know minus? तो first of all write down minus only. चलो मैं लिख देता हूँ इस तरीके से. पहले cube root of minus 3375 upon 4913. Now anyone know what is the cube root of 3375? बुक से ही बता दो, मुझे पता है किसी को तो याद नहीं होगा. See here, what is the cube root of 3375? 15. Yes, 15 minus 15. And what is the cube root of 4913? 17. Okay. Last question, 8th part. Prime factorization, this method I have to show. Obviously, मैं इस क्वेश्चन में नहीं किया, but you have to show that all of you know, है ना. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड आपको राइट हैंड साइड उसको शो करना है, ऑब्वियसली. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 5 and 23 upon 64. 5 and 23 upon 64. So first of all, what have to do? क्या करना है हमें? Improper fraction. Whenever like question is given in the form of mixed fraction, then convert into improper fraction. So we can say 64 into 5. I think 320 is there. Correct? 320 plus 23, 343 upon 64. ठीक है, ये तो सबको आता है ना. नहीं तो फर्स्ट क्लास में चल जाओ थोड़ा, है ना. लास्ट क्लास में तो नहीं आता है, क्लास 6 में चल जाओ. ओके, सो 343 upon 64. When you find out the cube root, then what is the value? 343 cube root, that is 7, and this is 4. But this is also not correct answer. Why? Because जिस फॉर्म में आपको क्वेश्चंस देते हैं उसी फॉर्म में आंसर भी लिखना होता है. So we can say 7 upon 4. If I convert into mixed fraction, then 1 and 3 upon 4. सर को याद है, ध्रुव बोलता था क्लास में, सर रट के आते हैं ना सर ध्रुव. I remember this thing, है ना ध्रुव. Okay, now see, 7 upon 4 is equals to 1 and 3 upon 4. Okay, now next question. Okay, so question number 7, evaluate. First question, you have to evaluate that 0.216. 0.216. How will find out? See all of you. First of all, write down cube root of 216 divided by 1000. Why? Because if you want to remove this point, it will be a very, very easy question. If you want to remove this point, then after that, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. That's why we are taken here 30. Okay, remember always. Now, what is the cube root of 216? 6. बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ. 6 upon what is the cube root of 1000? 10. So 6 upon 10. How many? If I want to convert into decimal, then 0.6. The answer will be 0.6. बस ये तो था. Okay. Last question. Second part, that is cube root of 4.096. Okay. What is the cube root of 4.096? Again, similar way, you have to remove this point. So 4096 divided by 1000. Then, okay, what is the cube root of 4096? That is 16, and this is 10. So the answer will be 1.6. Okay, cube root of 4096, 16. Cube root of 1000, 10. So 16 upon 10 is equals to 1.6. Done. So remaining part, that means whatever questions, question number 5, homework देख लो, question number 5 and question number 7, sorry, question number 6 and question number 7, remaining parts. Okay, 5, 6 and 7 remaining parts, that is your homework. Okay, understood all of you?